chibium ema wache de nti a meka na imprensa ne se meda Nyankopon asese wo ma wo nkwa na me no mienu ti ase ebia na meka wu ni Ghana ha wa ma no ne bebia wo na wia me mo ha ana de asan me mo adwo meda asese se wo soso wo de bi eka ho na ano menye bie beka ye ena soso ye to aso making changes in your life so wo de sakraye ebo abrabom whether you deliberately pursue personal transformation and growth or you think others should do it for you, you would definitely have results. So we are doing say one kasa wo sakra abrabom ebia wa no kasa anye de wo sakra mu ebia wo ne ye nye fe wo sakra mu ebia se dia wo dwene fa na nya papa ana wo gya na saa se wo ye se wo gya na saa obeso aba obi na kai say whether you decide or don't decide there will be results. Well, no, we can greatly improve our chances of success if we prepare to pursue success. You bet me etumpon brabomu say ye hye ho ya dwene ne ye see ye di akire a and to add value to ourselves. See ye ma ye ho asombo and to add value to something. Say ma bibu edimu. Akwa bi no se wonim oha ana hunter na uchi akura chichichi ba bibi na utibi ko ha na nya kusie be edu enkrante ha ubenya tofo eti dia wo ye bia no se wusua ne ye pepepe yomu a na wo ye ne yie na esi ye a emfa ho se wo hye Ghana na ama no ne ubenya woni ebeto na ansana sakrai baba abrabom no ma me fa no ma enwotwe bi mu ene me sha ase one the friend identity, self-identity. How do you see yourself? Nya kodwa efrewa na abran efrewa na ni efrewa na togbi ana lasan ana George ana Samiri je efrewa. How do you see yourself? Who are you? Anya politician wo ye honorable ana excellency. Ko obi wo kra honorable ba ne kasa this honorable. Obi ye excellency by the steps I am mediocrity. So who are you? Anya broadcaster wo ye den. Ye kan who are you are? What roles do you play in life to the benefit of others? And yebe na oye wa brabomu a ebi enya somfaso. That's who you are. Yeka who are you our demo? What do you do to make your wife and your children better and happy? Yeka who are you are? Do you have a purpose in life? I did about China so and now the year kwa ayenkon Ghana obi e de maybe obi e Chelsea mehwe bi. And now what the year Chelsea no obetiti wa promo what Chelsea is playing. Nten ko to say Chelsea boy we no exercise. You see uti ho na hwe bola go the obo no ye training wo hwe wi a yesu hu ya mabo wo ye training ana wa no those who are on your board now they are disciplined. Who are you disciplined? When you know they are innovative. Are you innovative? When you know when they fail they rise again and move forward. So we didn't kugu was are you that type? Do you have perseverance? When you know they are faithful. We didn't know are you faithful? When I catch you they have learned to acquire more knowledge and skill. Well, so when they ask who are you and you didn't know how fair then when and then nipa wum or me a broadcast, me a sports journalist. So what? You must expect what sportsmen have if you're a sports journalist. Are you disciplined? Do you train your mind? Do you train your mouth to speak right? Do you train? I mean, do you have endurance? Are you humble? Footballers are humble. No, I don't know. So be say your self identity. You must look at who you are in terms of what you do. You must look at who you are in terms of the things you value. Who are you? Do you have fulfillment in what you do? Now we will be so any jeho. None be so be say who are you? Say Mrs. One I'm saying Mrs. Anyway, what they are me. But say our dear free ho. Near you are Juma free ho. Na account kutua. Who are you in the mind of people? Why no? So be dreaming one. If Shani do near Bodinia, how would they describe you? And then what would I know? I kind of the point to you do nipa. And yet obituary na actually know he was a fine gentleman there be one kasano. Who are you? Fancy say me no kase. Emu bi da ho. Ye sese ne kama. Ya frɛ emu no yere. Sɛ won ka no kura onim e woni kunu. Sɛ emu a de na yere bɛka fa ho. Sɛ emu a de na namfo bɛka fa ho. No kura mu o. Sɛ de na wo mma ene bro na wote so ye bɛka fa ho. De otua de wo ho. De ono boko shata frɛ de na bɛka. Sɛ bia de obɛka no enya. Wa wonim ne omɛka. Ko wonim suban. Begin to read transform your identity. No identity and so papa. Enye wodo. Enye nkwa. Enye ade e demfa so de bre wankasa. Ebusuani o man. For me, my identity is that me nkranhye hene. Eya kwankyere hene. Me mani pa kwankyere. Ena me man ni pa kwankyere. E de Kenya wo na wo so so e. Ana me producer. Wo ye producer hene. Obama chidom. Ema me ye pa kwese me chia wo. Ana empomia me executive producer Sky Samirenchi. Obie kwan ema kwan bie ema nyina tie asempa. Wo so so kwan be na obie na manfo tie asempa. Onyame enka ho. Onyame shout ne hunu nipa a oyo wo sebeyo na di akire na esa pepepe. Onyame entena.
Yeni nyame betena ne papa ni ita kutegu